Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Mike Foster here. It's another Mike Tries, another Lay's product. These are salted caramel potato chips. Yes, they're sweet. Well, I'm guessing they're sweet. I love salted caramel ice cream, I gotta tell you. So, but in a potato chip? Let's take a look and a taste. Okay, they're nice and, okay, here's, I like my chips folded. It smells like salted caramel. I'm gonna put the whole one in. All right, here's the moment of truth. It tastes like a potato chip. Dipped in caramel. Now, chips are already salted, so, I mean, what? I think if I kept eating these, I'd get an upset stomach. Here's the deal. It's not disgusting like some of the other products I've tasted. But it's like mixing two things that do not deserve to be mixed together. These do not belong. You should not put caramel on potato chips. This is a thumbs down. I give it about a 6.2. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 and all my socials. The things I do. Peace.
Live life 365.